Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add or deposit your NFTs into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to add, you just simply have to open Bitget wallet, and after opening your wallet into Bitget wallet, you just simply have to tap into this more button. Tap there, and after tapping into there, just simply select this option of NFT. After selecting NFT, you will get this option of My NFT into the options bar. Just simply tap to My NFT, and then you will get this option of Get NFT if you don't have any NFTs. Just simply tap to Get NFTs, and you will get this first option of I have NFTs deposit. Just simply tap to deposit, and after that you can easily select the collections between these many options. You just simply have to select or search for your collection or the network. Just simply select your collection by tapping into the plus button, and after tapping into that, your NFT will be added in here. This way you can very easily deposit or add your NFT into Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.